If you're smart, capable, and still feel like you're working way harder than you should, this video is for you. Because the biggest income gap I see, it's not about effort. It's about skills. Listen, I've spent my career around high performers. I've run events and built brands alongside people like Tony Robbins and Matthew McConaughey. I've watched over $1 billion in sales move through my companies, and the pattern is always the same. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 high income skills that actually compound. And stay with me to the end, because the last skill, that's the one almost everyone avoids. And it's quietly costing them, maybe you, the most money of them all. Skill number 1, the ability to sell. Even if you hate the word, right? This one turns people off immediately, but it shouldn't, because selling isn't manipulation. Selling is communication. I've watched incredibly talented people stay underpaid for years, not because they weren't good, but because they couldn't clearly explain why what they did mattered. Meanwhile, people with half the skill, but clarity, moved ahead faster. The highest earners are rarely the best technicians. They're the best communicators of value. If you can explain a problem clearly and guide someone to a solution, you will never be irrelevant. So ask yourself, what problem do I actually solve? Can I explain it? Can I explain why it matters in one sentence? Once you learn to communicate value, something changes. But communication alone isn't enough. You also need to know how to move people. And that leads to skill number 2, persuasive communication. Now, this isn't about being loud. It's about being clear. Right now, the internet is full of noise. The people who rise aren't shouting more. They're saying complex things simply. AI can replace execution, but it can't replace perspective, tone, judgment, or trust. People who communicate clearly get prompted faster, build audiences quicker, create opportunities instead of waiting on them. So, take one thing you do, explain it as if you were talking to a 12-year-old. If it's confusing, income slows. That's it. But even the clearest communicators struggle if no one can find them. So skill number 3, building and monetizing attention. Listen, attention is the new currency. You know that. And most people are consuming it instead of learning how to earn from it. I hear the same things over and over. I'm not a content person. I don't want to post. I'll do it later. Meanwhile, the market rewards people who are visible. You don't need to be an influencer. You need to be findable. If people can't discover you, they can't pay you. So I guess thinking of it through this lens is, where would someone go to find help with what you do? And do you show up clearly when they find you? Listen, even with attention, there's one thing that quietly separates high earners from everyone else. And that's skill number 4, decision-making under uncertainty. High earners don't wait for perfect information. They decide with about 70% clarity and just move forward. And then they adjust as they move. Indecision is more expensive than most bad decisions. Waiting feels safe, but it quietly costs you timing, opportunity, and years. Ask yourself, do I have enough information to move forward responsibly? If the answer is yes, then decide, move forward, and refine along the way. And even decisive people eventually hit one final ceiling, and that's skill number 5, systems and process thinking. This is the least sexy skill. It's the one that changes everything, though. People tell themselves, I'll systemize later. I just need to grind now. I just need sales now. I just need marketing now. I don't have time. Listen, if you are the system, your income is limited by your time, and time does not scale. High income doesn't come from doing more. It comes from designing better. So what's one thing you can do repeatedly that could become a process, an SOP, a step-by-step playbook to your success and those that follow? Let me leave you with this. If you've been working hard and still feeling capped, it's not because you missed your chance. It's because the rules have changed, and no one ever walked you through the new ones. Skills can be learned, leverage can be built, and you're not nearly as far behind as you think.